Greetings everyone, it's Mr. Shatra here. Welcome to Back to Basics. What we are looking at, we are looking at the June 2023 paper from the Mpumalanga province, right? Now let's see. What is it that you are given? We are saying in the sketch, EG is parallel to FH, GI is parallel to HJ, AB is equals to BE, AC is equals to CD, BC is given by 6, DE is given by X, EF is given by X subtract 3, DG is given by Y plus 5, GH is given by Y, DI is given by 2A plus 2, and IJ is given by 2A subtract 3. Now, what is going to be the first thing here? The first thing that they want us to find, they want us to find out what is going to be your X. And your line X is going to be this particular line, right? Okay, this is going to be your line X. So now what is going to be your line X in here? So now, for you to find out what is going to be your X, look, here you are having your what? Here you are having your 6. Okay, so which means now, this is going to be the lines, this is because of what? Midpoint theorem. Can you see that it is stated that the distance from here to here, it's the same as distance from here to here, right? So which means now here, this particular 6 is going to be half this particular X, which means actually your X is going to be 12. What? It's going to be 12. What is going to be the reason? The reason is going to be because of midpoint theorem. Okay. Then that is going to be midpoint theorem. Altogether, then that's going to be the reason for our X. Now, if you can look at for 9.2.2. Now, what is it that you are going to do now from here? Now, in 9.2.2, what is that you are given? So, they want you to find out what is going to be your Y. How can we express our Y? Let's start here. Now, we can express our Y using this part and also this part, and we can use this part and also this part altogether, or any of those, right? Now, for an example, what is it that we can do here? We can start by saying, look, here your DE over your what? Your DE over your EF, right? Your DE over your EF is going to be in proportion with what? With your DG over what? This is DG over your GH. And what is going to be the reason behind them? This is going to be proportionality theorem, right? And why is this going to be because of proportionality theorem? Because our EG, it is given that is parallel to what? To our FH. That's going to be the reason behind it. Now let's come back and substitute. Now already we know what is going to be the value of our X. Remember, ordinarily we were going to say this is X over X subtract 3, which is going to be equals to Y plus 5 over what? Over Y. But now, what is it that you can get now from here? Already we know what is going to be the X. So which means where there is X, you can substitute, which means here you'll end up having what? You are going to have your X was 12. Now 12 subtract 3 is going to be 9, which is equals to Y plus 5 over Y, right? Then what else are we then going to do from here? We can cross multiply. 12Y is going to be equals to what? It is going to be equals to 9 multiplied by Y, not multiplied by 5, which is going to be 9Y plus, what is 9 multiplied by 5? 9 multiplied by 5 is going to be 45. Okay, so basically we are getting this from cross multiplication. So now what is it that you're going to do now? You're going to take the 9 this side, right? So remember this is 12, so this is going to be 12y subtract 9y, which is going to be equals to 45. This is same as what? This is same as 3y is equals to 45. Divide by 3, which means your y is going to be equals to your 15 altogether. So which means your y here, it is actually going to be 15. Your X was given by 12. This is given by 9. And then this, when you say 15 plus 5, which means this is going to be given by 20. Okay. So basically, that is going to be that as far as this question is concerned. Now, let's continue then. Now that we got that one, what is it that we can do? The last one, they want us to find out what is going to be our A. So now, in finding out our A, what is it that we can do? In order for us to find our A, you are going to express what? Right? Now, in finding our A, look, we can express 2A and also the side of Y. Can you see that? Right? So that is going to be the same, right? So basically, which means now let me just get a different color, which means if you can express this and also this side with this side and also this other side, right? This side, you are going to get what is going to be a value of your A, right? So let's see. So we are going to say firstly, our what? Our dg over what? dg over your gh is going to be equals to your what? Your di over your ij, right? This is going to be over your ij. Now, what is going to be the reason behind that? This is going to be prop theorem, right? Why is it prop theorem? Because we are given that our ji is parallel to what? To our hj altogether. Then that's the reason behind that. Now, let's start. Now, what is going to be the DG? DG is going to be given by 20 divided by what is going to be your GH. It is going to be 15, which is equals to what? Which is equals to what is your DI? This is going to be 2A plus 2 over your 2A subtract 3. Then you are going to just solve this algebraically. Now, how can you solve this algebraically? Let's see. Then you are going to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, which means this is going to be 15 into 2a plus 2 is going to be equals to 20 into 2a minus 3, right? Then this is going to be same as what? When you multiply 2, this is going to be same as 30a plus what? 30a plus 30 is equals to 40a. This is going to 40a minus 60. Then when you group that, what is it that you're going to do? This is same as 30a subtract 40a, which is going to be equals to negative 60 minus 30. What is it that you're going to have? Negative 10a is going to be equals to negative 9 divided by negative 10 divided by negative 10, which means your a is going to be given by 9 altogether. So which means the value of your a that you are looking is going to be equals to 9, right? Now, hopefully this makes sense to you. And thank you very much.